I want to meet you.
Oh, yeah, Mars mo. Oh, what to do? Ito ba yung nausap dere? First time? What's that?
Snake.
What's that, Talia?
It's moving. It's moving. It's moving.
It's moving, yeah, the counter is moving.
Gagan. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, it's moving. Ah.
Yeah, it's moving, it's moving. It's moving.
Ito, Talia, oh.
Again.
Tara, oh. Dito.
Huh?
Talia, there. Ayan, oh. Ay, wala, gyud.
Yeah.
Masyag dako na ilaga.
Capybara. Pero ano na ako ba?
Ilaga gahapon eh.
It's moving.
Talia, here, oh. Dali. Talia.
Gagain na ni kadagko pag nasa balay mo.
Oh no, it's moving. Oh no, it's moving. I don't know. I will. Dana.
Don't touch it, ah.
Dana. Dana. Hello.
Tempting, no?
You're hungry?
Dili na sila
Walking
mama.
hungry?
Pero ayaw lang.
Are you hungry, Dad? Hungry? Are you hungry? In the box?
Sige.
Are you hungry? Wait, Mama.
Talia, oh, don't feed the animals.
Are you hungry, Dad? No. No, my goodness. No one.
What's that, Talia?
Caterpillar.
Ha?
Caterpillar. Capybara. Uy, napa. So cute. Huh?
Wala ko yun eh. Here, Talia, oh. Very patient.
Yeah.
It's a big monster.
Tata na niya buhok. Igulang na ni ba? Pero Talia, oh, nag-move na siya. Ano, tumukat ka.
Hi, monkey.
Kasi,
Hi, Mom.
say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy. Hi.
Hi, Daddy.
Wala.
Hi, monkey.
Uy, it's no one.
Okay, nagbutan nyo na lang-friends. Dako pa kayo ng video na.
Aya.
Awara nyo na lang.
Aya.
Sige, talk to him. Talk to him.
Dad.
Say, what's your name?
What's your name?
Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
Nag-eat na siya mangga. Nag-eat siya mango, Talia, oh.
It's a mango. Please, no.
Kasi Talia, pagdadahan siya
It's a small.
Hindi na ganahan din siya.
This one, Talia.
Small.
This one, Talia.
Atras na siya.
This one.
Yeah. I do it.
Okay.
Gusto magod niya.
Look. Look at them. Hello. Wala Talia. Just stay here, baby.
Okay, just open your hands lang mga kilos, ha? Huwag tayong magtunang okay? Don't worry. Sa mga hindi naman mabigyan, mamaya after the show, you will have your own time with our mga ambassadors. Okay? Makakapagpa-picture noon and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga follow folks together with our mga co-trainers, Kuya Jimar and Kuya you know that they call them monogamous. Monogamous meaning once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Yes po, my forever po sa ating mga kalaw o sa mga single ladies natin out there. Kung naghahanap kayo ng forever guys, ha, alam na natin, andito lang ang mga trainers. Ay, joke lang po. So, ano tayo magpapakita, hindi na sila. Again, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... And those are our Philippine Great Hornbills, or also known. So, nanligaw po ang mga lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto. Ito follow muna, okay? Now folks, at the count of 3, you need to shout fly. Okay, what's the word? Fly. Let's practice first. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... Mabuti pa sa mga right side ko. Oh, on the left side. Oh, one more time for energy. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... Ready na ang ating mga bisita, mga kuya. Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw? Okay now folks, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... And what a perfect catch, Mr. Bill and JJ. Now folks, muna tayo sa mga kiddos natin dyan. Yes! Alright, but before that, oh, Mommy, please pa. Kasama na din natin mga cute na mga animal ambassadors. Once again, folks, let's give it up for Tribo Kamindanao Performing Arts. Alright, now before we proceed with our show, folks,